I have 4 indigo presses, 16 million turnover, 150 staff working in general commercial print, but direct mail and automated communications. I've been in business now at Proco for 25 years this year, so obviously we've seen a lot of changes as it's moved in the industry. My background is actually digital print, and before I was at my current company, I was heavily involved in the implementation of digital into the UK, so very, very early adoption of digital technologies when it looked very different to how it looks now. And then when I moved to my new business, it's now Proco, I wanted to adopt digital into our workflow. We were a conventional litho printer, and we also had a direct mail arm around the corner in a different building. And my job was to come in and make digital the heart of the business, and to get the guys who understood colour and customer service to really understand the value of data, and the guys from the direct mail who understood data to really understand the value of customer communications. dscoop's an amazing organisation. I've been involved since I was asked to look at starting out the EMEA arm of dscoop some sort of 8-9 years ago maybe. It blurs into one. And I came along to the first American one in Florida that I'd come to, and I came in secret to see what I thought of the organisation, because many felt, yes, it worked really well in the United States, but actually could it work in EMEA with the language barriers and the different cultural aspects? So I came along with a few other people, and we looked around and we listened and we spoke to everybody, and we were blown away by the engagement, and we completely disagreed with the skeptics that said it couldn't be moved across the world, and we could definitely take it on in EMEA. So we started EMEA straight away with haste, and then I was on obviously the EMEA board, and then since then I'm privileged to be on the global board as well. The printing industry is a very innovative industry by trade, and we always talk about how it's changed and how difficult it is, but actually it's always been that way, and it's because we're continually innovating and continually taking products to market. Now there's lots of user groups that people have, but the difference with dscoop is it is by the members for the members, and that membership and that member value is really, really at the core of everything we do. And every decision we make is about the members to grow business and to give people more innovation and more ideas. And I think, although a lot of people try and do that, I think we have a unique combination of members, partners, sponsors, and that focus and that real passion for what we're trying to do just shows through. And you only have to come to an event and see the showcase and talk to people about it, and they're so open, and you just learn so much. And I don't think any other event or any other group gives that value to members. So the challenge with the dscoop organisation is some people think it's a once a year event or a 3 times a year event. It's a bit like a gym membership, as Gary Peelin, the ex-head of global board, once said. It's like a gym membership. You can be a member, but you have to go to make a difference, and it's a little bit like that. So what we have to do is develop our tools for our customers to give them what they want when they want. So yes, the events are really cool, but we want to start adding more value throughout the year, more local events, more smaller events, and dscoop.com is just the next generation of our platform in order to get the other members and the PSPs engaged and the partners engaged and the brands engaged. As we've moved on, we've realized that we're responsible for driving this industry. dscoop is responsible for industry change. And to do that, we need everybody involved. So we need the partners and the manufacturers. We need the members and the PSPs. But we also need the brands and the creatives to start to see what we can do, because there's a whole generation that doesn't know print because they've gone online. And print is the only medium that gets the cut through, and we're seeing a real move back to us. So what we have to do is we have to educate the market, and we have to get everybody on board with it.